Alright, so let's get to this second zodiac, you know what I'm saying? This is my favorite zodiac. Why? Because this is the house that I live at, you know what I'm saying? That's that Taurus, you know what I'm saying? From around April 20th till around May 20th, this is where the Taurus, you know what I'm saying, lies. So this is the second house. This is the bull. This is a fixed earth sign. If a sign is fixed, it means that they're stubborn, you know what I'm saying? They're not easily movable mentally. These people are grounded, you know what I'm saying? Very personable people, you know what I'm saying? Grounded people, stable, more reserved, and most definitely stubborn. It's stay away or the highway, baby. That's that Taurus energy. Taurus is ruled by Venus. Venus rules Friday, okay? So on Friday, you are more prevalent to experience Venus energy. Venus is associated with relationships, love, creativity, money, and femininity. You get what I'm saying? It's the more the feminine energy, the love, the, you know what I'm saying, relationships, but it's also associated with money and creativity, okay? Now, what are the traits of the Taurus? These people are grounded, practical, and stable. You know what I'm saying? These are very earthly people. You know what I'm saying? Not earthly as in they do earthly things, but they are down-to-earth people. You know what I'm saying? These are honest people. They're going to keep it real with you. These are reliable people. You know what I'm saying? And if a Taurus say they mess with you a certain way, you know what I'm saying? They mess with you that way. You should just believe them. That's just that Taurus. They love you. You know what I'm saying? That's that Venus energy. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Venus. Anyways, devoted, responsible, possessive, and uncompromising. You know what I'm saying? They done put stubborn in so many, or I done put stubborn in so many different ways. Uncompromising, stubborn, fixed, grounded, you know what I'm saying? Understand that's the Taurus, you know what I'm saying? That's that bull. You know what I mean? So they're prone to liking gardening, cooking, music, romance, okay? If you aren't into those things and you're a Taurus, and you've never tried those things, you should look into those things, okay? Because as a Taurus myself, you know what I'm saying, getting into these different things, you know what I'm saying, I found myself enjoying them very much so. Anyways, dislikes, sudden changes, criticisms. Who don't like criticisms? Complications, insecurity. Who don't like insecurity? And synthetic fabrics, you know what I'm saying? That's very specific, but you know, that's what you're prone to express yourself in the way of as a Taurus, and you're compatible with the Scorpio and the Cancer, both water signs. Water signs are emotional, and then you got the Taurus, which is ruled by Venus, which is love. So you know what I'm saying, we can rock with each other, you know what I'm saying? Let's love, you know what I'm saying? Let's love each other, love from above, baby. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, let's keep it moving.